What I love about Sandmarc products are the finishes and the overall build quality. It's just extraordinary. So here I have one of the latest Sandmarc innovations. This is the Sandmarc Dolly for cell phones. And yes, this is really creator content, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will love this one. Now here are all the scenes that you've seen in my intro. As you know this, I improvised, and that's perfectly fine, because the results speak for themselves, and that's all that matters. You can use a piece of plastic, you can use plywood or a board, whatever suits your needs. Such images are extremely good for B-roll footage, to supplement your videos and to make them more interesting. Imagine my car wash video without any dolly shots. That would be kind of boring, wouldn't it? Although the sensors in the newer iPhones even out a little bit jitter and shaking, it is much better to use the dolly on a flat and even surface. Here I have an uneven surface and you can clearly see some jitter in the footage. Like I said, the sensors in the newer phones can make up for a bit of uneven surfaces, so the footage that you're getting here is still usable. Alright, let's take a look real quick what's in the box. Opening it up, first we have a ball head. There's our base plate. It's really heavy. Of course it comes with the wheels and a ball head mount. Also in the box is a phone clamp, and you're also getting a mount for GoPro cameras. The assembly is easy and straightforward. On the bottom is a screw with a handle, and you just attach the ball head, and on top of the ball head you mount your phone clamp. All you need to do is to insert your phone in the phone clamp and you are good to go. You can make precise angles around a subject. There is a printed scale on the base plate with the degrees you can set it to. And now your imagination is the limit. I found using the telephoto lens very practical. You can create very nice close-up images while going around the subject. And if you use additional lighting, you can set the right mood. No matter if you're recording a product video, if you want to have B-roll footage for your vlogs, or if you're making a movie, filming a burglar going up the stairs, you can use pretty much any flat surface to create something amazing. Now that you've seen it, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and also some ideas what you would create using this dolly. And of course, if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this, and tune in soon again. Bye for now.